welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought ये line बहुत silly है, but इसको consider कर लेते हैं. So those who don't know about me, my name is Rishabh and I make a lot of content related to internships, placements, hackathons and mostly the student related program. Maybe it can be Google Kickstart, Hashcode, etc. etc. So with that I got I just want to tell you something. Yesterday I got a mail from Udacity that they are distributing free, like they are distributing or they have just opened a nano degree. So Nokia, in association with Udacity and the Black in the Technology Foundation, have just started a nano degree. In that, they are distributing the 302 free scholarships. So let me give you a quick news about it. So इसको read करते. So Nokia make a scholarship pledge to improve representation of underrepresented community in technology, right? So basically, there is a report that in a Silicon Valley only. Only some people's, maybe it can be only 3% of black people or are employed there. So I definitely not support such kind of racism and all those things. So like if I read, so Udacity and a Black in Technology Foundation, they have started it. So they are distributing over 300 scholarship and offer for nano degree program. So इसको अगर मैं read करूँ, so free Udacity scholarships. Nokia and the Black in Technology Foundation and Udacity are partnered to provide 302 free scholarships. So you have a chance, you have a good chance to graduate from Udacity. And those who don't know about Udacity, Udacity is definitely a very trusted and a good platform or a edtech platform, and they provide nano degrees and which is highly industrial recognized. सो और कोर्स भी काफ़ी कॉम्पिटेटिव रहता है. सो आप देख सकते हैं इसको, ठीक है. सो बी अ पार्ट ऑफ मच नीडेड चेंज एंड यू कैन रीड मोर अबाउट इट. सो basically like these three things are important: fast and flexible, like you have 5 to 10 hours, you just need to give 5 to 10 hour per week, and that's not so like बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, ये ठीक टाइम है, ठीक है. you can manage it along with your studies, right? And the most of the best thing I like about Udacity is they basically focus on a project, the real world project. So you just need to build, you will get the chance to build project along with the industrial experts, and you have 24/7 mentor service. इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा क्या होगा? So how it works, तो देखते हैं. So like you have a like 5-week application period. So you can like submit application is open. That's why I'm making this video. So August 16 to September 27. So today is 27. You have whole 1 month. Just think of it. But I think 1 सितंबर से आप पहले ही भर लीजिए तो ज़्यादा बेटर है. आप because on that basis you can get a classroom access as well. So you have a like a 2-month challenge course. So if you are pre-selected, you will participate in an exclusive introductory program and the 5-month nano degree program. ऐसा रहता है ना कि एप्लीकेशन जो भी भरता है अच्छे से भरता है वो सिलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, और लास्ट में लाइक दे स्टार्ट द ट्रेनिंग एंड at last the highest 302 peoples who have like higher rank or maybe whatever factor it may be, they got a chance to get that nano degree, ठीक है. और वो काफ़ी like competitive और industrial recognized रहती है. So if you are selected as one of 302 scholarship recipient, you will begin your program, ठीक है. And last, graduation. After completion, your nano degree program will be receive an official certificate. That's great. So अब देख लेते हैं किस टाइप की scholarship ये provide कर रहा है. So basically they have 5 domains and like 3 of a domains is of Python and 1 is of Java and 1 is for cloud. So बात करते हैं AI programming with Python की. So it's a beginner track and you can enroll now, right? And what must like the thing which you will get to study here: introduction to Python, Jupyter Notebook, NumPy, Anaconda, Pandas, Matplotlib for data exploration, and then the linear algebra essentials, and second last is the calculus essential, and the last one is a neural network where you will get a chance to build your own image classifier, ठीक है. Whatever framework they will use, it's up to them or up to training. So it's a beginner level track, you can apply for it. Our second track is for Java programmer. It's a beginner and a new track. So they don't have any rating. So I think कि इसी बार ये start कर रहे हैं. So you will learn Java fundamentals, advanced Java programming techniques, Java application development, एंड यही इससे अच्छा क्या ही हो सकता है. एंड अवर थर्ड वन जो कि आई थिंक द टॉप रेटेड, ओके, दे आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग course for DSA, data structure algorithm. So it's a like Python based DSA. So you will learn all those things: introduction, data structures, basic algorithm and advanced algorithm. So they will, don't worry, they will cover everything. So like if you are a data science or a machine learning guy, you can definitely apply for it. That's really suitable for you. And the second last is intermediate Python. So if you know a basic Python, you can apply for it, or if you want to enrich your skill in a Python, you can apply for it. ठीक है, तो यहाँ you will learn intermediate Python. You have some advanced Python topics like function, creating strategies for solving problems. That is the great thing, right? And large code base with libraries. You will also get a hand-on experience with some kind of libraries, whether it can be NumPy, Panda, etc. just for reference. ठीक है. एंड देखते लास्ट कोर्स जो कि है क्लाउड एंड डेवऑप्स इंजीनियरिंग में. सो इफ़ यू नो जावा और जावास्क्रिप्ट एनीथिंग, ठीक है, अगर आप अच्छे हैं, और इफ़ यू वांट टू लाइक स्विच योर कैरियर इनटू अ क्लाउड, so this nano degree will going to help you. Syllabus, if we see that, so cloud fundamental, deploy a static website on AWS. So they will like teach with taking the reference of AWS. And deploy infrastructure as code. I don't know what it is because I have never touched the cloud. I just want to touch it. So build CI/CD pipe monitoring and logging. Okay, I have listened about it. And last, the microservice at scale using Kubernetes. So I think Kubernetes is provided by Google. I'm not sure, but I think. Okay, so that is a like full course. So they are like providing course for this 5 degree. So if you are interested, anyone, you can apply for it. And that's it. The last date is 27 September. So apply accordingly and be true. ठीक है. So आप नोकिया के बारे में तो जानते ही होंगे. It like a technology. It creates technology that help the world act together. So basic इन लोगों का like motivation to start it is that you can say as the name suggests. ठीक है, so you can read about it. So black people are dramatically underrepresented in a tech industry. In a Silicon Valley, only 3% of employee belongs to that category. So that's all on that basis. I don't want to comment on this. So that was all. If you want to apply, you can apply, and I'm sure that you should apply. ठीक है, I just request you to apply for it. So that's all. If you like found this video useful, do subscribe my channel. I will bring some more contents for you. So up to them, keep learning. Thank you and bye.